Okay, so I'm John Murphy. I'm the CEO here at BioStream Diagnostics, and we're a detection platform using Raman spectroscopy. And so our first target, our application, is for COVID-19. So, obviously the problem right now, I think we're all pretty familiar with, is getting back to work safely. The economies need to open up, but social distancing is clearly a problem. And right now, the current test around the world is PCR. Depending on the unit that you use, it's either somewhere from 20 minutes to 36 hours, and we're targeting under 30 seconds with this test. So that's kind of a part of the game changer. And then the expense of the PCR test is somewhere around $50. Sometimes it's a little bit less, sometimes up to $100. And we're targeting a consumable and analytics charge of $1. So, there's other benefits and stuff to this approach, but those are the main ones. When we look at, where this can be used, clearly this is, you can go through the list: airports, entertainment, get back to a hockey game, the whole kind of thing. The idea is that you can be now tested as you walk through the front door, and everybody behind the entrance is COVID negative, and that's the idea. So there's just a huge need for testing globally. I think that's and just in the U.S. I mean, we hear lots of quotes on the news. Just as a bit of a scoping exercise, I said, if we could get 10,000 units out globally, some with high throughput and some with low throughput, that would bring in, somewhere over $3 billion a year in recurring revenue. It's just the math. It's pretty amazing. The actual system, we're using a spectrometer from Ocean Insight. We're partnered with Ocean Insight. So it's basically a spectrometer, a laser, a probe. You put the sample in, you push the button. We do analytics on the Raman system, and we'll tell you within 30 seconds if you have COVID. So this is a direct full virus detection approach. So we're working with the folks at UBC, so Dr. Horatio's Box lab. It's a level 3 lab. We've got virologists, genomics folks, antibody experts. We've got machine learning experts as part of this. We're partnered here also with the manufacturer of the spectrometer. So these folks have got global manufacturing capabilities and support. We're talking, and a part of the team is our regulatory group with years of experience with Health Canada, and then all the software side of the thing too. So we're more than just COVID, but that's kind of what we like to talk about right now. It's pretty popular, but Raman has been around for years. It can do other things, food safety, that kind of thing. Right now, we're putting this together. We're getting our data. We're proving up that the whole thing can work, and then we'll go and look for a kind of $5 million ask as we start to really push through to the full regulatory side. So that'll be in another 4 weeks or so, if everything goes well. And this is a risk. This isn't all for sure. There's a little bit of research still left to pull together here. And but one of the things, I guess, our ask for today is, if you're looking to kind of how you might be able to help, check out our website at bio-stream.ca. Tell people about it. Fill in the form there so we can put your name up, and just our way of saying thanks. I mean, this is really about community. It's about people helping in small ways. It's a high risk, high return kind of play, but overall, the world needs this right now.
Thank you, John.